To guide a pipeline within its expansion due to temperature changes, you need a guided pipe shoe. For the construction of this guided pipe shoe on a steel beam, you use the guiding set FS from the Sikla modular system. In combination with a Sikla pipe shoe, you get a statically verifiable guiding point. For beam flange widths between 80 and 300 mm, we offer 5 different types. We supply pre-assembled sets without loose parts. With the Sikla modular system, you can also easily implement a fixed point. You can learn about these and many other features in our other videos.